Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to boost download speed on Microsoft Edge. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser, type edge:/flags into the URL bar, and press enter. Then type parallel downloading in the search bar. Enable parallel downloading. After activating it, it says we need to restart Microsoft Edge for the changes to take effect properly. Let's quickly restart it by pressing the restart button and proceed to the second step. In the second step, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Then open Settings. Click the System and Performance tab in the menu on the left. Click on System. First, disable the Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps when Edge is closed setting. Then enable Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Your download speed should now have increased. I hope this how to boost download speed on Microsoft Edge guide video was helpful. Don't forget to share your results with me in the comments. Have a great day.